Hi friends, I am Dr. Rutvik Trivedi. I am an intervention cardiologist at Zydus Hospital Anand, and today I am going to give you some tips regarding how to manage yourself post angioplasty. Friends, we all know that cardiovascular diseases are growing at a very high number. Many patients, they routinely come for checkup and turn out to be having a coronary artery disease because of various risk factors like blood pressure, diabetes, sedentary life, smoking and strong family history. A lot of people also ask me how to manage oneself post angioplasty. So friends, wherever you are, to take proper medication, because that becomes an utmost important part as far as the post angioplasty management is concerned. There are few drugs which one has to follow the rules of that medication. First drug is dual antiplatelet agents. One is aspirin and second may be either clopidogrel, prasugrel or ticagrelor. These two drugs are very important drugs as far as the stent implantation has been done in your case. So this medication has to be taken very religiously. There are fixed times which are mentioned. Aspirin after food just to avoid gastritis or acidity if you have, and other medication as per the recommendation by your cardiologist. Second drug comes is a drugs for the blood pressure and post angioplasty, depending upon your pumping, that is ejection fraction, or your previous hypertensive medications and heart rate. The cardiologist will prescribe you beta blockers, AC inhibitors, ARB or ARNI. These are few class of drugs and that you have to discuss with your cardiologist and have to take this medication because that will help in the remodeling of your heart. Third drug comes is a statin. Statins are basically a cholesterol lowering agents, and these agents are very important because whatever event has happened is most of the time is type 1 myocardial infarction, that is because of a rupture of the lipid or a atherosclerotic plaque. So we generally start this lipid lowering agents to each and every patient. So these are the drugs as I mentioned: antiplatelet, beta blockers, that is for the control of the heart, AC inhibitors, ARBs or ARNI, that is for the remodeling of the heart, statins, that is for the lipid control. Fifth comes the diabetic agents, and nowadays there are many diabetic agents which are available. SGLT2 I will recommend because that had shown the greatest benefit in a patients who are hypertensive, diabetic, strong family history and had other vascular or polyvascular components being involved. So these are the drugs one has to take religiously and cooperate to your doctor. Apart from medications, there are few more advices. That depends upon your ejection fraction, that is pumping of the heart. If your pumping is normal, your doctor will ask you to do a routine exercise for 20 to 30 minutes. These are the mild exercises that includes walking, maybe swimming, and as the time passes, gradually you are acquainted with that, you will be advised slow running, jogging and some yogas. Healthy lifestyle is a very important part because most of the patients are diabetic and hypertensive, and without changing your lifestyle, that is a modification of your lifestyle, no regime will work, irrespective you take the best of the medications. So it is important that you should follow the strict diet regime which is given to you by your doctor. Thank you very much. Thank you.